Everything you need to know about BrainPOP Jr. in 30 seconds. It's a paid website for grades K to 3, featuring educational videos, games, and activities. The fun, colorful content spans all major subjects from ELA and math to art and science. Videos feature captions, transcripts, and a printable worksheet. There's also sound cues for many interactions. They can get distracting, but they're easy to turn off. Alongside the videos, there's lots of customizable activities. Everything from writing to quizzes to map making. While it'd be nice if some of these activities were built into the videos themselves, this is a go-to site for elementary. Want to know everything else about BrainPOP Jr.? Check out our full review on Common Sense Education.